Imagine turning your daily social media routine into a lucrative venture. That's right, every single like you give could be a step towards a more prosperous you. And the best part? It doesn't require any special skills, a big following, or even much of your time. Today, I'm excited to guide you through a surprisingly simple way to start earning cash by doing what you already love on social media. First up, let's talk about AdMeFast.com, your gateway to turning engagement into income. This platform is a goldmine for those looking to enhance their social media presence and, more importantly, for individuals aiming to monetize their engagement. With AdMeFast.com, the process is refreshingly straightforward. Whether you're cashing out through PayPal, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency, all you need is a YouTube account to get started. Don't worry if you're not a social media guru. Even a basic YouTube channel will do the trick. Signing up is quick, free, and paves the way for you to start earning just by liking videos. Kickstart your journey by heading to AdMeFast.com, a unique platform that rewards social media engagement with points that you can convert to real cash. It's an easy and free way to make money, offering payment options like PayPal, bank transfers, or cryptocurrencies. To get started, all you need is a basic YouTube account. Don't worry about not having many subscribers or videos. A simple setup is all you require. If you're new to YouTube, setting up an account is fast and straightforward. Once you visit AdMeFast.com, sign up at no cost. Just enter your email, create a password, confirm you're human, and complete the registration. Don't forget to verify your account through a confirmation email. Logging in might seem a bit overwhelming at first due to the plethora of options, but just focus on the steps to begin earning immediately. Your main goal on the site is to collect points through interactions with other social media content like following Facebook profiles, liking Instagram posts, or engaging with Twitch or YouTube content. These actions earn you points, which can be exchanged for money. This tutorial will specifically cover earning points by liking YouTube videos, a straightforward and potentially more lucrative method. To start earning points, simply hit the like button on YouTube videos through the platform. This action will open the video in another tab. Go ahead and like the video, no need to watch it fully, then return to the AdMeFast tab to confirm your action. You'll see your points increase by 4 for each video liked. This opportunity is available worldwide and accessible via both desktop and mobile devices. The key to maximizing your earnings is consistency. Liking videos daily can lead to a nice sum at the end of the month. If you're enjoying this video and the tips shared, now is the perfect time to subscribe to our channel. Don't miss out on future guides by clicking the subscribe button and bell notification. Moving forward, the next step involves turning your earned points into Instagram followers. AdMeFast doesn't just facilitate YouTube engagement, it also allows for the exchange of points for social media growth across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and more. For our purposes, we'll focus on boosting your Instagram following. If you've gathered 1,000 points from liking videos, you could translate that into about 2,500 new Instagram followers. Start by selecting the option for Instagram followers, setting your target audience as worldwide, and inputting the Instagram username you wish to grow. It's recommended to use or create a dedicated Instagram account for this. After adjusting settings like the total and daily click limits to your preference, save your changes. Based on the points you've invested, you'll see your follower count increase with real active users. This step is direct and hassle-free, setting you up for the next phase of monetizing your growing social presence. Let's move on to the most crucial step, where I'll reveal the strategy to kick off your profit-making journey. In this segment, we're diving into a platform known as Reputable. Reputable serves as a dynamic social media marketplace enabling users to buy and sell social media accounts and interactions. This versatile platform offers a unique opportunity to sell a variety of accounts, including Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and others. Our focus here will be on monetizing the Instagram accounts we've grown using AdMeFast. But keep watching, as I'll also share some tips on how to quickly earn up to 10,000 points per day on AdMeFast, which translates to faster earnings. PlayerUp is renowned for being a top destination for selling Instagram accounts at attractive prices. To begin, simply visit playerup.com and look for the section marked Instagram accounts, buy and sell. You'll discover a wide range of listings from users aiming to sell their Instagram accounts. For example, one user might list an account with 15,000 followers for about $40, while another offers an account with 10,000 followers for roughly $30. The marketplace is abundant, with sellers offering accounts with different numbers of followers at various prices. If you wish to sell your account, start by creating a free account on PlayerUp. Signing up is easy. Just provide your email, confirm you're a new user, and verify your email after signing up. Once registered, you can join the multitude of users listing their accounts for sale. The procedure is simple. Accumulate points on admefast.com by liking YouTube videos, then turn those points into Instagram followers using AdMeFast's Add Site Link feature. After boosting your followers, head to playerup.com, sign up for a free account, and list your Instagram account for sale. But the potential for earning doesn't stop with YouTube likes and Instagram followers. AdMeFast allows you to gain points through engagement on a variety of social media platforms, including Twitter, Reddit, Pinterest, and more. While playerup.com offers the flexibility to sell accounts from different platforms, focusing on Instagram and YouTube accounts often delivers the best outcomes. For those interested in exploring further, you can also create a marketplace listing on Facebook. Start by logging into your Facebook account and finding the marketplace option. Click on Create New Listing, then choose Items for Sale. Fill in the listing with details about the social media account you're selling, including a descriptive title, a detailed account of the account's features and number of followers, and attractive photos. Set your price, decide if it's negotiable, and select the right category for your listing. After reviewing your listing for accuracy, publish it by clicking on the Post button, thus listing your social media account for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Earning through social media engagement and account growth is a testament to the opportunities the digital world offers. By leveraging platforms like admefast.com and playerup.com, you're not just participating in social media, you're also creating avenues for financial growth and learning valuable digital marketing skills. Before we wrap up, if this video has shed light on new possibilities for you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus. Stay tuned for more guides, tips, and strategies to navigate the online earning landscape effectively. Thank you for watching, and we're excited to see how these platforms transform your approach to social media, engagement, and earning. Until next time, keep exploring, keep earning, and continue growing with Profitability Plus.